In this video, I am going to discuss about waterfall model in software engineering. Classical waterfall model. It is initially the most obvious way to develop software. It is simple but idealistic. Classical waterfall model is used to develop a proper understanding of other life cycle models. Classical waterfall model consists of 6 phases. They are feasibility study, requirement analysis and specification, design, coding and unit testing, integration and system testing, and maintenance. Feasibility study that is used to determine whether it would be financially and technically feasible to develop the software. Requirement analysis and specification is used to understand the exact requirements of the customer and to document them properly. The informations which we gathered in the requirement analysis and specification is transformed into a design document in order to create a structure for the implementation of programming language. Next is coding and unit testing. It is used to translate the software design into a source code to ensure that individually each function is working correctly. It is also sometimes called as implementation phase. Next is unit testing. Unit testing is used to determine the correct working of the individual modules. The activities carried out during the unit testing include designing test cases, testing, debugging to fix problems, and management of test cases. Integration and system testing. During the integration and system testing, the different modules are integrated in a planned manner. Integration testing is carried out to verify that the interfaces among different units are working satisfactorily. The goal of system testing is to ensure that the developed system conforms to the requirements that have been laid out in the SRS document. Maintenance phase. It performs three functions: corrective maintenance, perfective maintenance, and adaptive maintenance. In corrective maintenance, it is used to check out the errors which are not discovered during the product development. Perfective maintenance. Perfective maintenance is used to improve the performance of the system. Adaptive maintenance. Adaptive maintenance used to check the working environment of the application. Shortcomings of the waterfall model. No feedback paths are available in order to correct the errors. Difficult to accommodate change requests. Inefficient error corrections, and no overlapping of phases. Thank you.